Inception football. As you can see, it's still in the package. Alright, so let's go and get to it. Oh, let's do before we start, a little time check there. It's 6:50. You can see. Checklist. Okay, first card, Peyton Manning, Colts. Second card, number 209, Mod Bradshaw, blue colored. Third card, Chris Johnson, number to 106. It's a nice card. Ooh. DeLone Carter, number to 599. Very nice card, autograph, jersey. Austin Pettis, numbered to 150, signature. Very nice card. Marcel Darius, numbered to 25. Very nice jersey card. Bills. And last card we have Mark Sanchez, the Jets. Recap our hits. We have Austin Pettis, numbered to 150, Rams. We have Marcel Darius, number to 25, Bills. We have DeLone Carter, number to 599, Colts. And that wraps up that box. We opened up a website. It's www.jakesboxbreaks.com. We still have box breaks on there, and we're doing more box breaks every day. And with the next box break we're going to do is Prestige. We already have the box, and we're just waiting for those to sell, the teams to sell. So please check that out, and thank you for buying in the box break.